Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about carbon nanotubes. What are these carbon nanotubes? These are tubular form of fullerenes. Already we have seen spherical fullerenes. That is the fullerenes which are in the form of a spherical shape are called as spherical fullerenes. Now today we are going to see that is tubular fullerenes. These carbon nanotubes are discovered in the year 1991 by Japanese scientist Sumio Ijima. Actually, it is called as a bucket tubes, but now we calling it as a carbon nanotubes because these are made up of only carbon atoms. Okay, these carbon nanotubes are in the structural family of fullerenes. What is the structural family of fullerenes? Already we have seen spherical fullerenes. These also come under this fullerene type. Therefore, we will call this. It has some specific structure which are made up of only carbon tubular like structure. Therefore, we call this a bucket tubes or carbon nanotubes, and these are cylindrical nanotubes. Okay, these are it may have any length, that is it may be from several hundred nanometer to micrometer. Generally, it is of two types. One is single-walled carbon nanotube, another one is multi-walled carbon nanotubes. That is, usually single-walled nanotube have diameter from 0.4 to 2 nanometer. Multi-walled nanotube have diameter from 2 to 100 nanometers. Okay, these carbon nanotubes are made from single sheet of graphite or graphene, and it is rolled in the form of a cylinder. If it is a single layer, then it is called a single wall nanotube. When it is rolled with the multiple layers, it is called as multi-wall nanotubes. And it is constructed in the form of a hexagonal rings of carbon. After rolling it, it appears as a hexagonal ring of carbon. And when both the ends are open, both ends may be open or it may be closed with caps. Suppose when you close it with a cap at one end, it's possible to use it like to store chemicals, and therefore it looks like pills. Now when it is opened, we can open it with the help of nitric acid, and then we can whatever chemical we want to add, we fill that material, and then we can close it. Okay. Now these carbon nanotubes have different structures. One is chiral vector, and actually it is a rolled from CNT. Now rolled to form CNT. Okay. Now these nanotubes may be metallic, semiconducting or insulating one. That means we can use it as a, depending upon the chirality, we have